Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
World stock markets and oil prices hit the skids as the persistent palpitations about rising interest rates and recessions struck again, while the Japanese yen hit a fresh 24-year low against a seemingly unstoppable US dollar. Ripple, the leader in enterprise blockchain and crypto solutions, today announced a new office in Toronto that will serve as a key engineering hub. The new office will be Ripple's first in Canada, supporting its continued growth in North America and beyond. British annual inflation has hit a fresh 40-year high, official data showed, further eroding workers' wages in a cost of living crisis and heaping more pressure on the Bank of England to keep raising interest rates. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold rise 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. NIO shares gained 2.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The UK's public sector net borrowing will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing at 0645 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.